Hello everyone. Taking effective notes is a game changer when it comes to preparing for exams. Good notes can make studying easier, improve your understanding of the material, and boost your exam performance. But how do you take notes in a way that truly supports your learning and helps you ace your tests? In today's video, I'm going to share some proven techniques for taking notes effectively. Whether you're in class or studying from textbooks, these strategies will help you capture, organize, and review information more efficiently. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Use the Cornell method. The Cornell method is a structured approach to note taking that helps with organization and review. Divide your page into 3 sections. On the left side, write down key terms, questions, or main ideas. Note-taking area. In the larger right section, record detailed notes during lectures or while reading. Summary. At the bottom, write a brief summary of the main points. This method makes it easy to review and test yourself later by covering the note-taking area and recalling the information based on cues. Tip number 2. Focus on key concepts. When taking notes, concentrate on capturing key concepts rather than transcribing everything verbatim. Listen for main ideas, important facts, and any emphasized points from your instructor or textbook. Use your own words to paraphrase and simplify complex information, which helps with understanding and retention. Tip number 3. Use abbreviations and symbols. Develop a system of abbreviations and symbols to speed up your note-taking. Common symbols like for, and, or arrows for cause and effect relationships can help you write more quickly and keep up with the pace of the lecture or reading, so you can easily understand your notes later. Tip number 4. Organize with headings and bullet points. Organize your notes with clear headings and bullet points. Headings help you identify different sections or topics, while bullet points make it easier to list and review information. This structure helps you quickly locate specific topics and make studying more efficient. Tip number 5. Include visual aids. Incorporate visual aids like diagrams, charts, or mind maps into your notes. Visual representations of information can help you understand and remember complex concepts more effectively. For example, draw a flowchart to illustrate a process or create a diagram to show relationships between ideas. Tip number 6. Review and revise regularly. Review your notes regularly to reinforce what you've learned. Schedule time each week to go over your notes and fill in any gaps or add additional information. Revisiting your notes helps solidify your understanding and ensures you're well prepared for exams. Tip number 7. Keep notes neat and legible. Ensure your notes are clear and legible. Use a consistent format and write neatly to make it easier to read and review later. If you're using digital notes, take advantage of formatting tools to organize and highlight key information. And that's it, 7 effective strategies for taking notes that will help you excel in your exams. I hope these tips make your note-taking more efficient and your study sessions more productive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Let's Jute, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your own note-taking tips or ask questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Happy studying and see you in the next video.